Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use OCR to scan a PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It allows iLovePDF to recognize text inside, scanned documents, images, printed pages, and PDFs that normally can't be edited. So first you're gonna open the iLovePDF website by going to ilovepdf.com. Then you're gonna, in the home page, you're gonna look for the OCR tool. Let's look for the OCR tool as we browse here. Now, let's look for it. Now to find this, you're gonna go here and go to Optimize PDF. And here you're gonna find the OCR PDF tool. Now you're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna upload the file. Now, for example, you're gonna select a file, a PDF file. Then you're gonna choose the language in which the documents or the writing in your document is to help the tool identify the characters. And then you're gonna click on Apply OCR. Then it's gonna start recognizing the text, and then you're gonna click on Download PDF. Now here, you're gonna click on it. Let's look and check here. As you can see, the writing has become identifiable and copyable. Now many users use the OCR to edit scanned contracts, copy text from images and digital paperwork, and also convert old documents. Another huge tip is using high-quality scans because blurry documents can reduce OCR accuracy. And you should also review the extracted text afterwards to catch any recognition errors. Finally, the OCR is one of the most powerful tools for turning scanned files into editable documents. And that's it. Now you know how to use the OCR to scan a PDF file in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.